Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is listen to the sound. I hope you all are now aware with different sound words. You all know sounds of letters A, E, I, O, U. A sounds A, E sounds E, I sounds E, O sounds O, U sounds A. And you all are now aware with these sound words. In today's session, we will read words which are mixed with these sounds. You will have to see which sound we are making while pronouncing the word. Let us start the session. Our first word is at. Here you can see a sound, at, which is a two-letter word. Our first word is her at a hat. This is a word with a sound in the middle. Her at a hat. Next is her eater, hit. Her eater, hit. Here the sound of I, E is there. Next is her otter, hot. The sound of O, O. Next is her utter, hut. Sound of U, is there. You can see the words are starting with the same letters, ending with the same letters, but have different phonetic sound in the middle. That's why it makes different words. Her atter, hat. Her otter, hot. Her eater, hit. Her utter, hut. With the sound, it makes different words with different meanings. अगर हम O लगाते हैं तो it becomes hot. अगर हम a का यूज करते हैं it becomes hat. अगर हम e का यूज करते हैं it becomes hit. और अगर हम a का यूज करते हैं it becomes hut. All the words are different. All of the words have different meanings. So you have to carefully read the word to understand the exact meaning. To understand the exact word we are saying or we have to write. The vowel sound plays important role. Next is bag, bag. This is called as bag. Next is beg, beg. This is called as beg. अगर बीच में e है, egg का sound है, तो हम उसे बोलेंगे beg. Next is big, big. I का sound e होता है, तो हम बोलेंगे big, big. और next is bug, bug. U का sound. U का sound होता है a, which makes it bug. Bug, bug. Bag, bag. Big, bug. I hope you all have no confusion in all of the words. All of the words have different sound and different words. Next is bad, bad. Bed, bed. Bed, bed. Bird, bud. All of the words are different with different sounds. Lad, lad. Led, led. Lid. All the words are different because the vowel sound in the middle is different. It's lad, led, lid. Next is dig, dig. Dog, dog. Dug, dug. Dig, dog, dug. All of the words are different. The letters, first letter and the last letter is same, but the middle letter is different. So that's why it makes different words. Let's read the last words of this session. Pat, pat. Pet, pet. Eater, pit. Pat, pet, pit. Cat, cat. Otter, cot. Cut. Cat, caught, cut. Hug, hug. Hut, hut. Murder, mud. I hope students you are now aware how to read the words, what are the sound of different vowels, and you can understand them clearly as well. That's all for today's session.